to change Instagram Gmail on PC or laptop. So if you want to change your Instagram Gmail on your PC or laptop, then first you can open up your Instagram application if you have, or you can also go with your browser. So go with Instagram.com and make sure to log into your account. And once you've logged in, if you want to change your Gmail, then what you need to do is just simply go with more, which is on the bottom left, and go with settings. Now under settings, you need to go with the account center. And once you click on the account center, you need to go with personal details. Under personal details, you will have your contact info. Click on the contact info and then go with your Gmail. Once you click on your Gmail here, you will have your delete mail address. So you just need to simply click on delete email address. And once you click on delete, then it will be deleted. Again, click on delete and that's it. That's how you can delete or remove your Gmail from your Instagram on your PC or your laptop. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.